What if the next giant leap for humanity isn't on Earth, but somewhere among the stars? Picture this. A single event in the vastness of space could redefine everything we know about our existence, our future, and our place in the cosmos. From the moment we first set foot on the moon to the discovery of distant worlds that might harbor life, space has always been the ultimate frontier of human ambition and curiosity. But what if I told you that the most transformative moments in our history are still to come? Moments that could change not just how we explore the universe, but how we live, think, and dream. In this video, we're diving into 20 space events that have the power to reshape human history forever. These aren't just milestones in science, they're turning points that could alter the course of civilization itself. So buckle up and get ready to journey through the cosmos, because by the end of this video, you'll see the universe in a whole new light. Let's begin. Now, let's take a step back in time to one of the most iconic moments in human history, the moon landing of 1969. This wasn't just a scientific achievement, it was a monumental leap for humanity. On July 20th of that year, astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to set foot on the moon, while Michael Collins orbited above in the command module. As Armstrong famously said, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." The world watched in awe, united by a shared sense of wonder and possibility. The Apollo 11 mission wasn't just about planting a flag or collecting moon rocks. It was a testament to human ingenuity, courage, and the relentless pursuit of the unknown. This historic event didn't just mark the first time we stepped onto another celestial body. It ignited a spark of inspiration that continues to fuel space exploration today. It showed us that the impossible could become possible, and it encouraged generations to dream bigger, reach further, and explore the cosmos with a sense of purpose and wonder. The moon landing wasn't just a moment in history, it was the beginning of a new chapter for humanity, one where the stars were no longer out of reach. Now, let's rewind even further to a moment that not only changed the course of space exploration, but also reshaped the world as we knew it: the launch of Sputnik 1 in 1957. This small, beeping sphere, no larger than a beach ball, became the first artificial satellite to orbit Earth, marking the dawn of the space age. On October 4th of that year, the Soviet Union successfully launched Sputnik 1 into space, sending shockwaves across the globe. For the first time, humanity had placed an object into orbit, proving that the boundaries of our world could be transcended. But Sputnik wasn't just a scientific milestone, it was a geopolitical game-changer. Its launch ignited the space race, a fierce competition between the United States and the Soviet Union to dominate space exploration. This rivalry spurred unprecedented advancements in technology, from rocketry to telecommunications, and even laid the groundwork for modern satellite systems that power everything from GPS to weather forecasting. Beyond its technical achievements, Sputnik also had a profound psychological impact. It symbolized the potential of human ingenuity and the realization that space was no longer a distant dream but a new frontier to conquer. The launch of Sputnik 1 didn't just mark the beginning of the space race, it set the stage for decades of innovation, collaboration, and exploration that continue to shape our world today. It was a reminder that the sky was not the limit, but merely the starting point. Moving forward in our journey through pivotal space events, we arrive at a moment that forever changed how we see the cosmos: the launch of the Hubble Space Telescope in 1990. Unlike any telescope before it, Hubble was designed to orbit Earth, free from the distortions of our atmosphere, giving it an unparalleled view of the universe. On April 24th of that year, the Space Shuttle Discovery carried Hubble into orbit, and from that moment, our understanding of the cosmos was transformed. Hubble's first images were breathtaking, revealing details of distant galaxies, nebulae, and star clusters that had never been seen before. But it wasn't just about the beauty. Hubble provided scientists with critical data that reshaped our understanding of the universe. One of its most groundbreaking discoveries was helping to determine the rate at which the universe is expanding. By observing distant supernova, Hubble provided evidence for the existence of dark energy, a mysterious force driving the acceleration of the universe's expansion. This discovery fundamentally altered our understanding of cosmology and earned the scientists behind it the Nobel Prize in Physics. Hubble also played a key role in determining the age of the universe. By measuring the brightness of certain stars known as Cepheid variables, astronomers were able to calculate that the universe is approximately 13.8 billion years old. This precise measurement was a monumental achievement in astrophysics. Beyond these scientific milestones, Hubble captured iconic images that brought the wonders of the universe into our homes. The Hubble Deep Field, for example, revealed thousands of galaxies in a tiny patch of sky, each one a universe of its own, teeming with stars and planets. But Hubble's journey wasn't without challenges. Shortly after its launch, a flaw in its primary mirror was discovered, causing blurry images. However, in a remarkable display of human ingenuity, astronauts were sent to repair Hubble in space, a feat that had never been attempted before. The repair mission was a success, and Hubble began delivering the crystal-clear images we associate with it today. Over the years, multiple servicing missions extended its life, allowing it to continue making groundbreaking discoveries for more than 3 decades. The Hubble Space Telescope didn't just advance science, it inspired millions. Its images became a bridge between the scientific community and the public, sparking curiosity and wonder about the universe. From revealing the birth and death of stars to uncovering the secrets of black holes, Hubble has been a cornerstone of modern astronomy. Its legacy continues to shape our exploration of space, reminding us that the universe is vast, mysterious, and full of possibilities. And as we look to the future, Hubble's successor, the James Webb Space Telescope, promises to take us even further into the unknown, but that's a story for another time. Now, let's turn our gaze beyond our solar system to a discovery that expanded the horizons of what we thought was possible. The first confirmed detection of exoplanets in 1992. For centuries, humans had wondered if other worlds existed beyond our own, orbiting distant stars. That question was finally answered when astronomers Alexander Wolskson and Dale Frail made a groundbreaking announcement. They had discovered 2 planets orbiting a pulsar, a rapidly spinning neutron star located about 2,300 light-years from Earth. This marked the first time planets outside our solar system had been definitively identified, and it opened a new chapter in our exploration of the cosmos. The discovery of these exoplanets was not just a scientific milestone, it was a paradigm shift. Before this, the idea of planets existing around other stars was largely theoretical. But with this confirmation, the search for other worlds became a tangible, exciting reality. These first exoplanets were unlike anything in our solar system, orbiting a pulsar in a harsh, high-energy environment. Yet, their existence proved that planets could form and survive in conditions far different from what we had previously imagined. This discovery ignited a wave of innovation in astronomy. New technologies and methods were developed to detect exoplanets, such as the transit method, which measures the dimming of a star as a planet passes in front of it, and the radial velocity method, which detects the wobble of a star caused by the gravitational pull of an orbiting planet. These techniques have since led to the discovery of thousands of exoplanets, ranging from rocky, Earth-like worlds to massive gas giants. Some of these planets orbit within their star's habitable zone, where conditions might be right for liquid water and potentially life to exist. One of the most exciting aspects of exoplanet research is the possibility of finding worlds that could support life. The discovery of planets like Proxima Centauri b, located just over 4 light-years away, has fueled speculation about the potential for extraterrestrial life in our cosmic neighborhood. Scientists are now developing advanced telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope to study the atmospheres of these distant worlds, searching for signs of oxygen, methane, or other biomarkers that could indicate the presence of life. The discovery of exoplanets has also reshaped our understanding of planetary systems. We've learned that our solar system is just one of countless configurations, with some systems hosting multiple stars and others featuring planets that defy our expectations. For example, hot Jupiters, gas giants that orbit incredibly close to their stars, challenge our assumptions about how planets form and evolve. Beyond the science, the search for exoplanets has captured the public's imagination. It's a reminder that the universe is vast and full of possibilities, and that we are only beginning to uncover its secrets. Each new discovery brings us closer to answering one of humanity's oldest questions: are we alone in the universe? As we continue to explore these distant worlds, we're not just expanding our knowledge, we're redefining what it means to be part of this incredible cosmos. And with every new exoplanet found, the universe feels a little less lonely and a little more wondrous. Now, let's shift our focus closer to home, well, relatively speaking, to the red planet Mars. Since 2004, a series of robotic explorers have been tirelessly roaming its surface, uncovering secrets that could reshape our understanding of life beyond Earth. These missions, led by rovers like Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance, have not only transformed our knowledge of Mars but also laid the groundwork for future human exploration. The journey began with Spirit and Opportunity, twin rovers that landed on Mars in 2004. Their mission was simple yet ambitious: to search for evidence of past water activity on the planet. What they found was nothing short of revolutionary. Both rovers discovered clear signs that Mars once had liquid water on its surface, from ancient riverbeds to mineral deposits that could only form in the presence of water. These findings suggested that Mars might have once been a habitable world, sparking new questions about the possibility of past life. Opportunity, in particular, became a symbol of resilience. Designed to last just 90 Martian days, it defied all expectations, operating for nearly 15 years and traveling over 28 miles across the Martian landscape. Its discoveries, including evidence of ancient lakes and groundwater, painted a picture of a planet that was once far more Earth-like than we ever imagined. Then came Curiosity, landing in 2012 with a more advanced suite of tools and a bold mission: to determine whether Mars could have supported microbial life. Curiosity's findings were groundbreaking. It identified organic molecules, the building blocks of life, in Martian soil and rocks, and it confirmed that the planet once had the right chemical ingredients and environmental conditions to sustain life. Its exploration of Gale Crater, an ancient lakebed, provided a detailed history of Mars' climate, showing that it transitioned from a warm, wet world to the cold, dry desert we see today. Most recently, Perseverance arrived on Mars in 2021, taking the search for life to the next level. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, including a drill to collect rock samples and a small helicopter named Ingenuity, Perseverance is exploring Jezero Crater, a site believed to have once been a river delta. Its primary goal is to search for signs of ancient microbial life and cache samples for a future mission to bring them back to Earth. Ingenuity, meanwhile, has made history as the first aircraft to fly on another planet, demonstrating the potential for aerial exploration in future missions. Together, these rovers have transformed Mars from a distant, mysterious world into a place of scientific wonder. They've shown us that Mars was once a dynamic planet with flowing water, a thick atmosphere, and possibly even life. But their work isn't just about understanding the past, it's also about preparing for the future. The data they've collected is helping scientists design missions to send humans to Mars, ensuring that when we finally set foot on the red planet, we'll be ready to explore it safely and effectively. The Mars rover missions remind us that exploration is about more than just discovery, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Each rover has built on the achievements of its predecessors, bringing us closer to answering one of humanity's most profound questions: are we alone in the universe? And as we look to the future, these robotic pioneers are paving the way for the next giant leap: human footsteps on Mars. Now, let's turn our gaze from the dusty plains of Mars to a marvel much closer to Earth, the International Space Station, or ISS. Orbiting our planet since 1998, the ISS stands as one of humanity's greatest achievements in space exploration, not just for its scientific contributions, but also as a shining example of what we can accomplish when nations work together. The ISS is more than just a laboratory in space, it's a testament to international collaboration. Built and operated by space agencies from the United States, Russia, Europe, Japan, and Canada, the station represents a rare moment in history where countries set aside political differences to pursue a common goal: advancing human knowledge. Over the years, astronauts and cosmonauts from more than 20 nations have lived and worked aboard the ISS, conducting experiments that would be impossible on Earth. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of the ISS is its role in studying the effects of microgravity. In the weightless environment of space, scientists can observe phenomena that are hidden by Earth's gravity. This has led to discoveries in fields ranging from biology to materials science. For example, researchers have studied how microgravity affects the human body, uncovering insights that are helping us prepare for long-duration missions to Mars and beyond. They've also grown protein crystals in space, which could lead to breakthroughs in developing new medicines. But the ISS isn't just about science, it's also about pushing the boundaries of human endurance. Astronauts aboard the station live and work in a confined, isolated environment, facing challenges like muscle atrophy, bone density loss, and the psychological effects of long-term space travel. These experiences are teaching us invaluable lessons about how to support human life in space, paving the way for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and even deeper into the solar system. Perhaps one of the most inspiring aspects of the ISS is its role as a symbol of unity. In a world often divided by borders and conflicts, the station reminds us of what we can achieve when we come together. It's a place where science transcends politics, where the pursuit of knowledge unites us all. And as the ISS continues to orbit Earth, it serves as a beacon of hope, showing us that the challenges of space exploration are not just technical, they're also about cooperation, perseverance, and the shared dream of exploring the cosmos. As we look to the future, the ISS remains a cornerstone of space exploration. Its legacy will endure long after its eventual decommissioning, inspiring the next generation of space stations and missions. And as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, the ISS reminds us that the greatest discoveries often come not from competition, but from collaboration. Now let's journey beyond the confines of Earth's orbit and into the vast expanse of our solar system, where two small spacecraft have rewritten our understanding of the cosmos. Launched in 1977, the Voyager missions Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 stand as one of humanity's most ambitious and far-reaching endeavors in space exploration. These twin probes were designed to explore the outer planets, but their legacy extends far beyond their original mission, carrying with them a message of hope and curiosity to the stars. The Voyager missions were a triumph of engineering and imagination. Voyager 1 and 2 were launched just weeks apart, each taking a slightly different path through the solar system. Their primary goal was to study the gas giants Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune and their moons. What they discovered was nothing short of revolutionary. Voyager 1 captured stunning images of Jupiter's turbulent atmosphere, revealing the Great Red Spot in unprecedented detail. It also provided the first close-up views of Saturn's rings, uncovering their intricate structure and complexity. Voyager 2, meanwhile, became the first and only spacecraft to visit Uranus and Neptune, unveiling secrets about their icy atmospheres, magnetic fields, and moons. But the Voyager missions didn't just teach us about the outer planets, they transformed our understanding of the solar system itself. For example, Voyager 1's flyby of Jupiter's moon Io revealed active volcanoes, making it the first known volcanically active body beyond Earth. Voyager 2's visit to Neptune's moon Triton showed geysers erupting from its icy surface, hinting at a subsurface ocean. These discoveries challenged our assumptions about the nature of moons and the potential for life in the outer solar system. Perhaps the most remarkable aspect of the Voyager missions is their enduring journey. After completing their planetary explorations, both spacecraft continued their voyage into interstellar space. In 2012, Voyager 1 became the first human-made object to cross the heliopause, the boundary where the Sun's influence wanes and the interstellar medium begins. Voyager 2 followed suit in 2018, providing invaluable data about this uncharted region. Today, both probes continue to send back information, offering a glimpse into the environment beyond our solar system. But the Voyager missions are more than just scientific achievements. They are a testament to humanity's curiosity and desire to connect with the unknown. Each spacecraft carries a golden record, a time capsule of Earth sounds, images, and messages intended for any intelligent life that might encounter them. The records include greetings in 55 languages, music from around the world, and even the brainwaves of a human being. They are a snapshot of our planet and our species, a message in a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean. As Voyager 1 and 2 drift further into the void, their power sources will eventually fade and their signals will grow silent, but their legacy will endure. These tiny emissaries of Earth have already traveled farther than any human-made object, and they will continue their journey for millions of years, carrying our hopes and dreams to the stars. The Voyager missions remind us that exploration is not just about what we discover, it's about the stories we tell, the connections we make, and the boundless curiosity that drives us to reach for the unknown. And as we reflect on the Voyager missions, we're reminded that the journey of exploration is never truly over. Each discovery opens new doors, each question leads to new possibilities, and each step into the unknown brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe. Now, let's shift our gaze from the outer reaches of our solar system to a discovery that has fundamentally changed how we perceive the fabric of the universe itself. In 2015, scientists made a groundbreaking announcement that sent ripples through the scientific community and beyond the first direct detection of gravitational waves. This monumental achievement confirmed a prediction made by Albert Einstein a century earlier and opened an entirely new window into the cosmos. Gravitational waves are ripples in space-time, caused by some of the most violent and energetic events in the universe, such as the collision of black holes or the merging of neutron stars. Einstein's theory of general relativity had predicted their existence, but for decades they remained elusive, hidden from our instruments. That all changed with the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, or LIGO, a pair of incredibly sensitive detectors located in the United States. These facilities, separated by thousands of miles, were designed to measure the tiniest distortions in spacetime, distortions so small they are equivalent to detecting a change in the distance between the Earth and the Sun by less than the width of a human hair. On September 14, 2015, LIGO detected its first gravitational wave signal. The source, a collision between two black holes, each about 30 times the mass of our Sun, located more than 1 billion light-years away. The event released an enormous amount of energy, equivalent to 3 times the mass of the Sun being converted into gravitational waves in a fraction of a second. This discovery not only confirmed Einstein's theory, but also provided the first direct evidence of black holes merging, a phenomenon that had only been theorized before. The detection of gravitational waves marked the dawn of a new era in astronomy. For the first time, scientists could listen to the universe, observing events that were previously invisible to traditional telescopes. This new tool has since allowed us to witness other cosmic cataclysms, such as the collision of neutron stars, which not only produced gravitational waves but also light, gamma rays, and even heavy elements like gold and platinum. These observations have deepened our understanding of the universe's most extreme environments and the processes that shape it. What makes this discovery so extraordinary is its implications for the future of science. Gravitational wave astronomy complements traditional methods, offering a way to study phenomena that emit little or no light. It has already provided insights into the nature of black holes, the behavior of matter under extreme conditions, and the expansion rate of the universe. And as technology advances, we can expect even more discoveries, potentially revealing secrets about the early universe, dark matter, and the fundamental laws of physics. The detection of gravitational waves is a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. It took decades of collaboration, innovation, and meticulous effort to achieve this milestone. But more than that, it reminds us that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Each new discovery, like this one, challenges our understanding and inspires us to keep exploring, to keep asking questions, and to keep pushing the boundaries of what we know. As we continue to refine our tools and expand our knowledge, gravitational wave astronomy promises to reveal even more about the cosmos. It's a reminder that the universe is not just something we observe, it's something we can now hear, a symphony of space-time that tells the story of its most dramatic events. And with each new detection, we come closer to understanding the grand tapestry of the universe and our place within it. Now, let's journey back to a moment that forever changed humanity's relationship with the cosmos, the day we first ventured beyond our planet. On April 12, 1961, Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet cosmonaut, became the first human to travel into space. His historic flight aboard the Vostok 1 spacecraft marked a monumental leap in the space race and ignited a new era of human exploration. Gagarin's journey was brief, lasting just 108 minutes, but its impact was profound. As his spacecraft orbited Earth, he became a symbol of human ambition and the limitless possibilities of space exploration. His famous words, "I see Earth, it is so beautiful," captured the awe and wonder of seeing our planet from a perspective no human had ever experienced before. This moment wasn't just a scientific achievement. It was a cultural and philosophical milestone that reshaped how we view ourselves and our place in the universe. The significance of Gagarin's flight extended far beyond the technical feat itself. It was a pivotal moment in the space race, a fierce competition between the Soviet Union and the United States to demonstrate technological and ideological superiority. Gagarin's success gave the Soviet Union a temporary lead, intensifying the rivalry and accelerating efforts on both sides. It also inspired a generation of scientists, engineers, and dreamers, proving that space travel was not just a fantasy but a tangible reality. Gagarin's flight also had a profound impact on the trajectory of human space exploration. It paved the way for subsequent missions, including the Apollo program, which would eventually land humans on the Moon. His courage and determination demonstrated that humans could survive and function in the harsh environment of space, laying the groundwork for the International Space Station, long-duration missions, and even the possibility of interplanetary travel. But perhaps the most enduring legacy of Gagarin's journey is its universal message of hope and unity. For a brief moment, as the world watched this historic event, borders and conflicts seemed to fade into the background. Gagarin's flight reminded us that space exploration is not just about national pride or scientific discovery, it's about the shared human spirit of curiosity and the desire to explore the unknown. Today, Yuri Gagarin's name is synonymous with courage and exploration. his flight remains a testament to what humanity can achieve when we dare to dream big and push the boundaries of what's possible. As we continue to explore the cosmos, Gagarin's legacy serves as a reminder that the stars are not just a destination. They are a calling, inviting us to reach further, dream bigger, and discover more about ourselves and the universe we inhabit. Now, let's turn our gaze to a groundbreaking achievement that promises to redefine our understanding of the cosmos: the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope in 2021. Often referred to as the successor to the Hubble Space Telescope, the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, represents a monumental leap forward in our ability to explore the universe. With its advanced technology and unprecedented capabilities, this telescope is poised to unlock secrets of the cosmos that have remained hidden until now. Unlike Hubble, which primarily observes invisible and ultraviolet light, the James Webb Space Telescope is designed to capture infrared light. This allows it to peer through cosmic dust clouds and observe objects that are too faint, distant, or ancient for Hubble to detect. One of its most exciting missions is to study the early universe, capturing light from the first galaxies that formed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. By doing so, it will help us understand how galaxies evolved over billions of years and shed light on the origins of the universe itself. But the James Webb Space Telescope isn't just about looking back in time. It's also revolutionizing our understanding of star formation. By observing the birthplaces of stars within dense clouds of gas and dust, JWST is revealing the intricate processes that give rise to new stars and planetary systems. These observations are crucial for understanding how our own solar system came to be and how common, or rare, such systems might be across the galaxy. Perhaps one of the most tantalizing possibilities offered by the James Webb Space Telescope is its ability to study exoplanets, planets orbiting other stars, in unprecedented detail. By analyzing the atmospheres of these distant worlds, JWST can search for chemical signatures that might indicate the presence of water, oxygen, or even potential signs of life. This capability brings us closer than ever to answering one of humanity's most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? The James Webb Space Telescope is not just a scientific instrument, it's a testament to human ingenuity and collaboration. Developed by NASA in partnership with the European Space Agency and the Canadian Space Agency, this project represents the combined efforts of thousands of scientists, engineers, and visionaries from around the world. Its successful launch and deployment, despite numerous challenges, stand as a reminder of what we can achieve when we work together toward a common goal. As the James Webb Space Telescope continues to send back breathtaking images and groundbreaking data, it is reshaping our understanding of the cosmos in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. From the earliest moments of the universe to the potential for life beyond Earth, JWST is opening new frontiers of discovery. And just as Hubble inspired a generation of astronomers and dreamers, the James Webb Space Telescope is poised to ignite the imaginations of future explorers, reminding us once again that the universe is vast, mysterious, and full of wonders waiting to be uncovered. Now, shifting our focus to the red planet, let's dive into one of the most exciting discoveries in planetary science: the evidence of liquid water on Mars. For decades, scientists have speculated about the possibility of water on Mars, and recent findings have turned that speculation into a thrilling reality. The discovery of liquid water, even in small amounts, has profound implications for our understanding of the planet's history, its potential to harbor life, and its role in humanity's future in space. The first hints of water on Mars came from images captured by orbiting spacecraft, which revealed features like dried-up riverbeds, ancient lake beds, and mineral deposits that could only have formed in the presence of water. But the real breakthrough came when NASA Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter detected signs of briny liquid water flowing intermittently on the planet's surface. These dark streaks, known as recurring slope lineae, appear to ebb and flow with the seasons, suggesting that liquid water may still exist on Mars today, albeit in limited quantities. The presence of water on Mars raises tantalizing questions about the planet's past. Billions of years ago, Mars may have had a much thicker atmosphere and a warmer climate, allowing rivers, lakes, and even oceans to exist on its surface. If that's the case, could Mars have once been home to microbial life? The discovery of water strengthens the possibility that life may have emerged on Mars in its distant past, and it fuels the ongoing search for fossilized evidence of ancient organisms. But the implications of water on Mars aren't just about the past, they're also about the future. Water is essential for human survival, and its presence on Mars could be a game-changer for future colonization efforts. Not only could it provide drinking water for astronauts, but it could also be used to produce oxygen and rocket fuel through processes like electrolysis. This would significantly reduce the cost and complexity of missions to Mars, making it more feasible for humans to establish a sustainable presence on the planet. The discovery of water on Mars also highlights the importance of continued exploration. Missions like NASA's Perseverance rover are actively searching for signs of past life and studying the planet's geology to better understand its history. Meanwhile, plans for future missions, including those aimed at returning samples to Earth, could provide even more insights into Mars' watery past and its potential to support life. As we uncover more about Mars and its resources, the dream of human colonization becomes increasingly tangible. The discovery of water is a critical step in that journey, offering both scientific intrigue and practical benefits. It reminds us that Mars is not just a distant, barren world, it's a place of possibilities, where the secrets of the past and the promise of the future converge. And as we continue to explore, we move closer to answering one of humanity's most profound questions. Could Mars one day become a second home for us? Now, let's turn our gaze from the red sands of Mars to the infinite depths of space, where one of the most groundbreaking achievements in modern astronomy took place: the first ever image of a black hole. In April 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope, a global network of radio telescopes, unveiled an image that captivated the world: a glowing ring of light surrounding the dark shadow of a supermassive black hole at the center of the galaxy Messier 87, located 55 million light-years away from Earth. This historic image was the result of years of collaboration among scientists from around the globe. The Event Horizon Telescope combined data from multiple observatories to create a virtual telescope the size of Earth, capable of capturing details at an unprecedented resolution. The black hole's shadow, surrounded by a bright ring of superheated gas and dust, confirmed predictions made by Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity over a century ago. It was a moment that not only validated decades of theoretical work, but also opened a new window into understanding these mysterious cosmic giants. The significance of this achievement cannot be overstated. Black holes, regions of spacetime where gravity is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape, have long been one of the most enigmatic objects in the universe. Before this image, black holes were studied indirectly through their effects on surrounding matter and light. But capturing a direct image allowed scientists to observe the event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing can escape, and study the extreme conditions near a black hole in unprecedented detail. This discovery has far-reaching implications for astrophysics. It provides a new way to test Einstein's theories under the most extreme conditions, offering insights into the nature of gravity, space-time, and the behavior of matter under immense pressure. It also sheds light on how black holes influence their host galaxies, shaping the evolution of the cosmos on a grand scale. The image of the black hole in Messier 87 is not just a scientific milestone, it's a testament to human ingenuity and the power of international collaboration. Beyond its scientific value, this achievement has captured the public's imagination, bringing the mysteries of the universe closer to home. It reminds us that even the most elusive phenomena can be understood through curiosity, innovation, and perseverance. As we continue to explore the cosmos, discoveries like this push the boundaries of what we know and inspire us to ask even bigger questions about the nature of existence. With this monumental step forward, the Event Horizon Telescope has set the stage for future breakthroughs in our understanding of black holes and the universe itself. And as we look ahead, one thing is certain: the mysteries of the cosmos are far from being fully unraveled. Now, let's shift our focus from the mysteries of black holes to a more tangible revolution happening closer to home: the rise of private space companies. Over the past 2 decades, companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and others have transformed the landscape of space exploration, turning what was once the exclusive domain of government agencies into a thriving, competitive industry. This shift has not only made space travel more affordable, but has also opened up new possibilities for innovation and accessibility. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk in 2002, has been at the forefront of this movement. With groundbreaking achievements like the Falcon 9 rocket, the first reusable orbital-class booster, and the Dragon spacecraft, which delivers cargo and crew to the International Space Station, SpaceX has dramatically reduced the cost of launching payloads into space. Their ambitious Starship project aims to take humans to Mars, signaling a bold vision for the future of interplanetary travel. By reimagining how rockets are built and reused, SpaceX has set a new standard for efficiency and sustainability in spaceflight. Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos, has also made significant strides, focusing on making space travel more accessible to the public. Their New Shepard rocket, designed for suborbital flights, offers a glimpse into the future of space tourism. Blue Origin's vision extends beyond tourism, with plans for lunar landers and infrastructure to support long-term human presence on the Moon. These efforts align with their broader goal of enabling a future where millions of people can live and work in space. Other companies like Rocket Lab and Virgin Galactic are also contributing to this new era of space exploration. Rocket Lab specializes in small satellite launches, providing affordable and frequent access to orbit for businesses and researchers. Virgin Galactic, on the other hand, is pioneering space tourism, offering civilians the chance to experience weightlessness and see Earth from the edge of space. Together, these companies are democratizing access to space, making it possible for a wider range of people and organizations to participate in space exploration. The impact of private space companies goes beyond technological innovation. By driving down costs and increasing competition, they have spurred a wave of creativity and collaboration across the industry. Governments, too, are partnering with these companies to achieve their space goals, blending public and private expertise to accelerate progress. This synergy is paving the way for ambitious projects, from lunar bases to asteroid mining, that were once considered science fiction. As we look to the future, the rise of private space companies represents a pivotal moment in human history. They are not only expanding our capabilities in space, but also inspiring a new generation of dreamers and innovators. With each launch, each milestone, and each bold vision, these companies remind us that the final frontier is no longer out of reach. It's a place where humanity's potential can truly shine. And as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, one thing is clear: the sky is no longer the limit. Now, let's turn our attention to a mission that aims to take humanity back to the Moon and beyond: NASA Artemis program. Launched in the 2020s, Artemis represents a bold new chapter in space exploration, one that seeks to return humans to the lunar surface for the first time in over 50 years. But this isn't just a repeat of the Apollo missions. Artemis is about establishing a sustainable presence on the Moon, laying the groundwork for future missions to Mars, and unlocking the potential of deep space exploration. At the heart of the Artemis program is the goal of landing the first woman and the next man on the Moon. This mission is designed to be more inclusive and forward-thinking, with a focus on diversity and international collaboration. NASA is working with partners from around the world, including the European Space Agency, the Canadian Space Agency, and private companies like SpaceX to make this vision a reality. Together, they aim to build the infrastructure needed for long-term lunar exploration, from habitats and power systems to advanced rovers and scientific instruments. One of the most exciting aspects of Artemis is the Gateway, a small space station that will orbit the Moon. The Gateway will serve as a staging point for lunar landings, providing a place for astronauts to live and work while conducting experiments and preparing for surface missions. It will also act as a testbed for technologies that could be used on future missions to Mars, such as life support systems and radiation shielding. By establishing a permanent presence on and around the Moon, Artemis is setting the stage for humanity's next giant leap, a journey to the Red Planet. The Artemis program also emphasizes sustainability. Unlike the Apollo missions, which left behind little more than footprints, Artemis aims to create a lasting legacy. This includes developing technologies to extract and use lunar resources such as water ice, which could be converted into oxygen and fuel. These innovations could revolutionize space travel, making it easier and more cost-effective to explore not just the Moon, but also Mars and beyond. As we look ahead, the Artemis program represents more than just a return to the Moon. It's a stepping stone to the stars, a mission that will test our capabilities, expand our knowledge, and inspire future generations. With each launch, each experiment, and each new discovery, Artemis brings us closer to a future where humanity is no longer confined to Earth. And as we prepare to take those next steps, one thing is certain: the Moon is just the beginning. Now, let's shift our gaze to a cosmic visitor that sparked both wonder and debate: the discovery of the Oumuamua interstellar object in 2017. Unlike anything we've seen before, Oumuamua was the first known object to enter our solar system from interstellar space, offering a rare glimpse into the mysteries of the universe beyond our own cosmic neighborhood. When Oumuamua was first detected, it immediately stood out. Its elongated, cigar-like shape and unusual trajectory set it apart from typical asteroids or comets. Scientists were puzzled by its lack of a visible coma, the cloud of gas and dust that usually surrounds comets, and its unexpected acceleration as it moved away from the Sun. These peculiar characteristics led to intense speculation about its origins and composition. Was it a fragment of a distant planet, a piece of alien technology, or something entirely new? One of the most intriguing theories suggested that Oumuamua could be a natural object, perhaps a shard of a larger body that was torn apart by gravitational forces in another star system. Others proposed that its unusual acceleration might be due to outgassing, where hidden pockets of gas beneath its surface were released as it warmed near the Sun. However, the lack of visible outgassing made this explanation difficult to confirm, leaving room for more imaginative possibilities, including the idea that it could be an artificial object sent by an extraterrestrial civilization. The debates surrounding Oumuamua's nature highlight the challenges of studying interstellar visitors. Unlike objects that originate within our solar system, Oumuamua passed through quickly, giving scientists only a brief window to observe it. Despite this, its discovery has opened up new avenues for research, inspiring missions designed to study future interstellar objects in greater detail. Projects like the European Space Agency's Comet Interceptor aim to be ready to investigate such visitors as soon as they're detected, providing deeper insights into their origins and properties. Oumuamua's journey through our solar system reminds us of the vastness of the cosmos and the countless mysteries it holds. Whether it's a natural phenomenon or something more extraordinary, its discovery has expanded our understanding of what lies beyond our solar system and ignited our curiosity about the possibilities of interstellar exploration. As we continue to study objects like Oumuamua, we edge closer to answering one of humanity's most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? Now, let's venture into a bold and futuristic idea that could reshape not just space exploration, but the very foundation of our economy: asteroid mining. Imagine a future where humanity doesn't just explore the cosmos, but actively harvests its resources. This isn't science fiction. It's a concept that scientists and entrepreneurs are already working to make a reality. Asteroids, those rocky remnants from the early solar system, are treasure troves of valuable materials. Some are rich in precious metals like platinum, gold, and rare earth elements, which are essential for modern technology. Others contain water, which can be broken down into hydrogen and oxygen to create rocket fuel, potentially turning asteroids into cosmic gas stations for future missions. The economic potential is staggering. A single asteroid could hold resources worth trillions of dollars, enough to disrupt global markets and fund ambitious space projects. But asteroid mining isn't just about wealth, it's about sustainability. As Earth's resources become increasingly strained, mining asteroids could provide a way to meet our growing demand for materials without further depleting our planet. This could reduce the environmental impact of mining on Earth, offering a cleaner, more sustainable alternative. It's a vision that aligns with the broader goal of preserving our home while expanding our reach into the cosmos. Of course, the challenges are immense. Mining in space requires advanced robotics, precise navigation, and the ability to process materials in microgravity. Companies like Planetary Resources and Deep Space Industries have already begun developing the technology needed to make this vision a reality, but significant hurdles remain. The cost of launching equipment into space, the legal framework for claiming extraterrestrial resources, and the sheer complexity of operating in such a hostile environment are just a few of the obstacles that must be overcome. Yet the potential rewards are too great to ignore. Asteroid mining could revolutionize space exploration by providing the resources needed to build habitats, fuel spacecraft, and even construct infrastructure in orbit. It could also transform Earth's economy, creating new industries and reducing our reliance on finite resources. The idea of mining asteroids may seem like a distant dream, but with each technological breakthrough, it becomes a little more attainable. As we look to the stars, asteroid mining represents a bold step forward, a fusion of exploration and innovation that could redefine humanity's relationship with the cosmos. It's a reminder that the universe isn't just a place to visit, but a frontier to be harnessed for the benefit of all. And as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, the dream of mining the stars may one day become a reality. Now, shifting our gaze from the tangible riches of asteroids to the profound mysteries of the cosmos, we arrive at one of humanity's most ambitious quests: the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI. This isn't just about finding alien life, it's about answering one of the most profound questions we've ever asked. Are we alone in the universe? For decades, scientists have been scanning the skies, listening for signals that might hint at the existence of intelligent life beyond Earth. Using powerful radio telescopes, SETI researchers analyze vast amounts of data, searching for patterns or anomalies that could indicate a message from another civilization. Projects like the Allen Telescope Array and Breakthrough Listen are at the forefront of this effort, harnessing cutting-edge technology to expand our search across the galaxy. But SETI is more than just a scientific endeavor, it's a philosophical journey. The discovery of extraterrestrial intelligence would fundamentally alter our understanding of our place in the universe. It would challenge long-held beliefs, spark new questions about the nature of life and consciousness, and force us to reconsider what it means to be human. Imagine the moment we receive a signal from another world. It wouldn't just be a scientific breakthrough, it would be a cultural and existential milestone, reshaping how we see ourselves and our role in the cosmos. Yet the search is not without its challenges. The universe is unimaginably vast, and the odds of detecting a signal are slim. Even if we do find evidence of alien intelligence, interpreting it could be an entirely different challenge. How would we communicate with a civilization that might think and perceive the universe in ways we can't even imagine? These questions highlight the complexity and wonder of SETI, reminding us that this search is as much about exploring the unknown within ourselves as it is about discovering life beyond Earth. Despite the uncertainties, the search continues, driven by curiosity and the hope that we might one day find answers. SETI represents humanity's collective yearning to connect with something greater, to reach out into the void and see if anyone or anything reaches back. It's a reminder that the universe is full of possibilities, and that the greatest discoveries often lie just beyond the horizon of our imagination. As we ponder the implications of finding extraterrestrial intelligence, we're reminded that the search itself is a testament to human ingenuity and our unrelenting desire to explore the unknown. Whether or not we ever find evidence of alien life, the journey of SETI inspires us to dream bigger, think deeper, and continue pushing the boundaries of what we know. And who knows, the next signal we detect might just change everything. Now, as we turn our attention from the vast unknowns of the cosmos to the exciting possibilities closer to home, we find ourselves at the dawn of a new era: space tourism. What was once the stuff of science fiction is now becoming a reality, thanks to the efforts of pioneering companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic. These ventures are not just about sending astronauts into space. They're about opening the door for everyday people to experience the wonder of space travel. Space tourism represents a seismic shift in how we think about space exploration. For decades, space was the exclusive domain of governments and highly trained professionals. But with the rise of private space companies, the dream of traveling beyond Earth's atmosphere is becoming accessible to a broader audience. Imagine the thrill of floating in zero gravity, gazing down at our planet from orbit, or witnessing the curvature of the Earth firsthand. These experiences, once reserved for a select few, are now within reach for those who can afford the journey. But space tourism isn't just about luxury and adventure. It has the potential to democratize space travel. As technology advances and costs decrease, what starts as an exclusive experience for the wealthy could eventually become more accessible to the general public. This shift could spark a new wave of interest in space exploration, inspiring a generation of dreamers, innovators, and explorers. The more people who experience space, the more likely we are to see increased support for space-related initiatives, from scientific research to planetary colonization. The impact of space tourism extends beyond individual experiences. It has the power to reshape public perception of space exploration. When people see their peers, ordinary individuals, venturing into space, it makes the idea of space travel feel less distant and more attainable. This could lead to a cultural shift where space exploration is no longer seen as the exclusive domain of scientists and astronauts, but as a shared human endeavor. The excitement generated by space tourism could also drive innovation as companies compete to create safer, more affordable, and more comfortable ways to travel beyond Earth. Of course, space tourism is not without its challenges. Safety remains a top priority as the risks of space travel are still significant. Environmental concerns also come into play as the carbon footprint of rocket launches and space travel must be carefully managed. And there's the question of equity. How do we ensure that the benefits of space tourism are shared widely, rather than being limited to a privileged few? These are important issues that will need to be addressed as the industry grows. Despite these challenges, the development of space tourism marks a thrilling new chapter in humanity's relationship with space. It's a reminder that the final frontier is not just for governments and scientists, but for all of us. As more people venture into space, we'll gain new perspectives on our planet, our place in the universe, and the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. Space tourism is more than just a luxury. It's a stepping stone toward a future where space travel is a part of our everyday lives, inspiring us to dream bigger and reach further than ever before. Now, as we shift our gaze from the hopeful horizons of space tourism to a more sobering reality, we confront one of the most pressing threats to humanity's future: the danger of asteroid impacts. While space holds incredible promise, it also harbors risks that could alter the course of history in an instant. Near-Earth objects, or NEO, are asteroids and comets whose orbits bring them close to our planet. Some of these objects are massive enough to cause catastrophic damage if they were to collide with Earth. The threat of asteroid impacts is not just the stuff of Hollywood movies. History reminds us of the devastating power of these cosmic visitors. 66 million years ago, an asteroid impact is believed to have triggered the extinction of the dinosaurs, reshaping life on Earth. More recently, in 1908, the Tunguska event in Siberia flattened over 2,000 square kilometers of forest when a relatively small asteroid exploded in the atmosphere. These events serve as stark reminders of the potential dangers lurking in our cosmic neighborhood. Thankfully, humanity is not sitting idle in the face of this threat. Scientists and space agencies around the world are working tirelessly to track near-Earth objects and assess their potential risks. Programs like NAS, a Planetary Defense Coordination Office, are dedicated to identifying and monitoring asteroids that could pose a threat to Earth. Advanced telescopes and radar systems scan the skies, cataloging thousands of NEOs and calculating their trajectories. The goal is to provide early warning of any potential impacts, giving us time to prepare or, ideally, prevent disaster. But tracking asteroids is only the first step. The real challenge lies in deflecting or destroying an incoming object before it reaches Earth. Several innovative strategies are being explored to address this challenge. One approach involves using a spacecraft to collide with an asteroid, altering its trajectory just enough to steer it away from Earth. This method, known as kinetic impact, was successfully tested in 2022 by NASA's DART mission, which demonstrated that we can indeed change the course of an asteroid. Other proposals include using gravity tractors, spacecraft that hover near an asteroid, using their gravitational pull to nudge it off course, or even deploying nuclear devices to break apart or redirect a threatening object. The implications of a successful planetary defense system are profound. Not only would it protect humanity from a potentially existential threat, but it would also demonstrate our ability to harness technology and ingenuity to safeguard our future. However, the challenges are immense. Deflecting an asteroid requires precise calculations, international cooperation, and significant resources. It's a race against time, as even a small miscalculation could have devastating consequences. Beyond the immediate threat, asteroid impacts have the potential to shape humanity's future in unexpected ways. A catastrophic event could unite nations in a shared effort to protect our planet, fostering unprecedented levels of global collaboration. On the other hand, a near miss or a smaller impact could serve as a wake-up call, prompting increased investment in space technology and planetary defense. Either way, the threat of asteroid impacts underscores the fragility of our existence and the importance of looking to the stars not just for exploration but for survival. As we continue to explore the cosmos, the lessons we learn from tracking and deflecting asteroids will be invaluable. They remind us that space is not just a frontier of discovery, but also a realm of responsibility. By addressing the threat of asteroid impacts, we take a crucial step toward securing humanity's future, ensuring that our journey into the stars is not cut short by a cosmic collision. The challenge is immense, but so too is the opportunity to protect our planet and, in doing so, to shape the destiny of our species. Now, as we turn our attention from the immediate dangers of asteroid impacts to the distant possibilities of the cosmos, we arrive at the final frontier of our exploration, the concept of interstellar travel. Imagine a future where humanity ventures beyond our solar system, reaching out to the stars and exploring worlds light years away. This dream, once confined to the realm of science fiction, is now being seriously considered by scientists and engineers, though the challenges are as vast as the distances we hope to cross. The first and most obvious hurdle is the sheer scale of interstellar space. The nearest star system to Earth, Proxima Centauri, lies over 4 light-years away. To put that into perspective, even traveling at the speed of light, something our current technology cannot achieve, it would take more than 4 years to reach it. With our fastest spacecraft today, such a journey would take tens of thousands of years. Clearly, new propulsion technologies are needed to make interstellar travel feasible. One promising avenue is the development of advanced propulsion systems that could drastically reduce travel time. Concepts like nuclear propulsion, which harnesses the energy of nuclear reactions, could provide significantly higher speeds than traditional chemical rockets. Another intriguing idea is the use of light sails, which rely on the pressure of light from powerful lasers to propel a spacecraft to a fraction of the speed of light. Breakthroughs in these areas could bring us closer to the dream of reaching other star systems within a human lifetime, but propulsion is only part of the equation. Interstellar travel also requires overcoming challenges related to energy, navigation, and human survival. The energy demands for such missions are astronomical, requiring innovative solutions like harnessing antimatter or developing self-sustaining energy systems. Navigation becomes increasingly complex over such vast distances, as even the smallest errors in trajectory could result in missing the target star system entirely. And then there's the question of how to sustain human life during a journey that could span decades or even centuries. Concepts like generation ships, where multiple generations of humans live and die aboard a spacecraft, or advanced hibernation technologies, are being explored as potential solutions. The implications of achieving interstellar travel are profound. It would not only expand our understanding of the universe, but also open up new possibilities for the survival and evolution of humanity. In the event of a catastrophic event on Earth, interstellar travel could offer a way to preserve our species by establishing colonies on distant worlds. It could also lead to the discovery of extraterrestrial life, fundamentally altering our place in the cosmos. Yet, the journey to the stars is not just about technology, it's also about vision and determination. The challenges are immense, but so too is the potential reward. By pushing the boundaries of what's possible, we could unlock a future where humanity becomes a truly interstellar species, exploring and thriving among the stars. The dream of interstellar travel reminds us that the cosmos is not just a place of danger and mystery, but also one of boundless opportunity and wonder. As we conclude our exploration of the 20 space events that could change human history, we are left with a profound sense of both the fragility and the resilience of our species. From the first steps on the Moon to the potential for interstellar travel, each event represents a milestone in our journey to understand and navigate the cosmos. These moments remind us that the future of humanity is not written in the stars, but shaped by our curiosity, ingenuity, and determination to reach for the unknown. The universe is vast, and our journey has only just begun. As we bring our journey through these 20 transformative space events to a close, it's clear that each milestone has left an indelible mark on humanity's story. From the first human steps on the Moon to the groundbreaking detection of gravitational waves, these moments have reshaped our understanding of the universe and our place within it. They've inspired generations, driven technological innovation, and sparked dreams of exploring worlds beyond our own. Together, these events remind us that the cosmos is not just a backdrop to our existence, but a frontier brimming with possibilities. Looking back, we see how far we've come, from launching the first satellite to capturing the first image of a black hole. These achievements are not just scientific triumphs, they are testaments to human curiosity and resilience. They show us that even the most daunting challenges can be overcome when we dare to dream and work together. And as we look to the future, the potential for discovery is limitless. Whether it's the search for extraterrestrial life, the promise of interstellar travel, or the quest to understand the origins of the universe, the next chapter of space exploration is waiting to be written. But this journey isn't just for scientists and astronauts, it's for all of us. The mysteries of the cosmos invite us to ask questions, to wonder, and to imagine what lies beyond the horizon. So, as we conclude this exploration, I encourage you to stay curious. Look up at the night sky and let it remind you of the vastness of the universe and the endless opportunities for discovery. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What space event inspires you the most? And if you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Together, let's keep exploring the wonders of the universe, one discovery at a time. The stars are calling, and our adventure has only just begun.